Welcome back, friends. The next lecture, vector transformation. So, in this lecture, we are going to write. So, we have vector transformation at one point P. We have seen in earlier in the lecture, in this lecture series, that if we have to do vector transformation at a point, I'm going to skip this at a point because now it is obvious we are doing it at a point. At one point when we are transforming vector using the transformation tensor, we have this expression, and this is what we have seen earlier, that you have f beta caret in gauge 1. This transformation tensor acts on this beta caret, and then you get same transformation, a same vector in, you get the value of that vector in gauge 2. So initially you have value in gauge 1, and if you like you can bring it to the right side, doesn't matter, you can write it like this, it doesn't matter. So initially you have b caret f vector f in gauge 1, then you apply this transformation tensor object to that vector in gauge 1, and then you get the value of that vector in gauge 2, and all this is happening at one point P. Now I want to write this transformation. This is the transformation in which you are using, you are writing, you are expressing in the transformation tensor object. And remember that we have seen earlier in this lecture series, I think it is last video, one of the last videos, we have seen that you can write the transformation tensor in terms of the transformation vector. So I can replace the transformation tensor in terms of the transformation vector. Then I can express this transformation in terms of the transformation vector. So I want to eliminate x alpha tilde beta caret in terms of xi alpha. So I am going to use this relationship. This one. So I'm going to plug in the value of this object here, and rest all is simple manipulation. I'm going to put this there, here, and I don't have to write P. It is obvious that I am doing this at the same point. So you have delta alpha beta plus this, and then acting upon B, delta alpha beta acts upon f beta caret, comes f alpha caret, and then xi alpha beta f beta caret. So this is how the vector transformation equation is. This is what the vector transformation equation is when you are doing the transformation at one point, and this is in terms of the transformation vector xi alpha. So we had seen this earlier in terms of the transformation tensor x alpha tilde beta. Now we are writing it in terms of the transformation vector. And in the next lecture, I am going to show you the equations for similar equations for for writing the corresponding tensor expression, tensor transformation expression, in which we are transforming tensors from one gauge to another gauge in terms of this xi alpha. Okay, see you next time.